David, we're going to have a look at the runner cable tray now. A relatively new product for us, but a game changer in the industry. It is a MAC-coated steel, so it's a steel product, but it's coated in an aluminium, zinc and magnesium coating, which is self-healing. So it can be cut. If someone scratches it on site, there's no need to gal spray it. It'll self-heal. It will not rust. It is available in 150, 300, 450 and 600 mil with lids in both peaked, flat, and as well as the solar labelling or embossing for the solar guys that need that as a requirement. It also comes with the T-junctions, or they're available with T-junctions, and it's a brilliant product. It will not rust. No need to gal spray, bare metal, it will self-heal. Fantastic product. We have a universal mid-clamp. Now it has embedded grounding pins, so there's no need for WEEBs. We also have the mid-clamp now with integrated grounding pins on both the underside of the mid as well as the Z module. So again, no need for WEEBs. Also have it available in black as well. Splices, we have our new Elite or Elite Rail. We have a splice now to go with that. It just clicks in. There's no need to tighten any bolts or torque anything. It's compatible with Elite Rail and Eco Rail and makes the process a lot quicker on installation. We also have some solutions for trim deck and Kingspan panels. So you don't want to be penetrating through, you can't penetrate through. So 4 screws into the metal surface. You can then go to your tin foot on top and job done. Another non-penetrative solution for corro roof is our grid solution. So normal corro roof, it straddles 2 ridges. Again, 4 screws, tin foot on top. The idea behind that is if you can't find the purlin on a specific section of a roof, instead of doing something sketchy and leaving the job, you've got something that's certified and you'll be doing the job and it's perfect. So we're recommending that every installer has a box of these, just in case they come across a tin roof where they have a problem hitting the purlins. This solves that problem. We also have our tin feet now with integrated EasyClick connectors, which just connect onto the rail, drop the rail in, tighten it up, and job's done. There's no more Z modules now to have to try and fit in there. It's quick and simple, available in silver and in black, making it a lot easier, a lot quicker on the install. So on and off the roof a lot quicker. We also have a tilt system, which is basically just an extended tin foot. A lot less of a hassle to install than over our traditional tilt legs. Quick and simple solution. It's a set tilt angle as well. We have our rail here as well. So we've got Elite Rail with the splice, click in. Elite's available in silver and black. We also have Eco Rail, which we've always had, silver and black, but you can also use this splice with the Eco Rail as well. Again, saving time. There's no torquing up bolts, snap and forget, easy. We also have a new grounding lug. So traditionally, the grounding lug would do a 4mm cable, that was it. This one does 4mm up to 50mm cable, aimed at the commercial market that we're finding residential installers are using this and absolutely loving it. Lower profile too, because panels these days are lower in profile, 30mm, 28mm. This fits under with room to spare. So a great product for the commercial guys, but in all honesty, resi guys are just loving this product and using it and doing away with the old traditional grounding lug. For the commercial guys, we have our EasyClick tin interface already installed on the universal clip lock, saving that one-step process on a large commercial job. Could be hours of someone just putting these two together on site, where we've already done it in the factory, quick and simple. We also have that with the cross connector clamp, which is a similar EasyClick brings your rail down to here. Again, rail just goes in, tighten it down, job done. Now, for the ones that are using tilts, the 10, 15, 15 to 30s and 30 to 60s, we now have a notch cut out of the bottom leg, which enables you to be able to get down and tighten it to the surface without having to pull this apart and then reassemble. So just making that job easier. And we also have your clip locks with these EasyClick tin up. So recently we've released all these products. They're all relatively new, and they're aimed at making the installer, giving them a much easier, quicker install, so they're on and off the roof a lot quicker.